Right, since last did a video around the farm, things have been a bit different. You can see, this is all our young stock out. Ooh, excuse me. So, roller's parked back up now. Don't think that's going to see much action now this year. I'll have to have a wander around the field, see how rough they are. Still got the grass house behind the little vulture. We've got 25-30 acres of harrowing to do. I wasn't planning on doing any. Let's take the PTO shaft off. Come on, you swine. Easy with two hands, but hey ho. Oh, still not got the door done on the tractor.
30 minutes nationwide.
Did on the list of things to do. It's just been busy last. Well, I made a start on it Friday. Yeah, Friday made a start on the door. So yeah, we had a nice busy week last week. Go on, we'll give you a blip. Still sound well. Right, anyway, I digress. Yeah, so all the young stock's out. As you can probably hear, it's a bit quiet around here, and the reason for that is just over a week ago all the milk cows went. They've all gone down to the new home in Shropshire. Apparently they've settled in very nicely. So yeah, all our cattle sheds are now zetadiding up the top there. About on the empty side. Bit weird really. You know, for a farm always to be a bustle of activity and milk cows and all that, it's a bit weird to wander around and being quiet. Plenty of pigeons. Bloody things do make a mess. Oh, one thing I'm going to show you. My little baler. It's a bit hidden under the debris at the moment. So I was planning on pulling this out in the winter and just baling up some big bale straw into small bale, just see how it's behaving. Been a couple of years since it's been out. See by name International McCormick. Proper old little baler. It's older than me, this thing will be. B47. Cracking little baler. Only times it ever misses a knot is when the crops aren't right. So if it starts missing the knots, you pack it up and go home. On the good side, Herb's still here, aren't we, son? And we've got Al down the bottom there, and we've got our old cow with the two calves on. A bit of a waif stray that should be outside, that's just being a bit of an idiot, but hey ho. Oh, you want to say hello, mate? Hi. Hey, up, Sonny boy. How we doing? How we doing, lad? How we doing, lad? I know, I'm not here every day at the moment. I know. Could do with a bit of bedding, you can, but big lad, couldn't you? And get you bedded up a bit later on. Eh? Go on, I've got to carry on doing what I'm doing. I want to get home at some point. What? What? Hey? You got an insult with me? Hey? You big softy. You big softy. So, yeah. That's where we're up to at the moment. Yeah, milking's all finished. So, I've, well, I come here as a rule, it's sort of once or twice a week just to put a couple of bales in that shed so that my mum can push the silage up to. That's gone a bit wrong because our faithful Zeta has decided to snap the cable on the shuttle lever. That was Saturday, which, as we know, we're in the middle of the Easter bank holiday, so we're having to handball silage from the stack to the cows, which is a bit of a pain. But yeah, that's kind of where we're up to. We're sort of moving for the finish, and I'm sort of back to doing what I enjoy, I suppose.